Assalamualaikum. So over here I've made this. So Assalamualaikum Sharonez, and hopefully you're doing all fine. And yeah, so the video which you've uploaded, which about the workshop, the web development workshop. I really wanted to go there, but the timings didn't suit for me in for Zoom and all. So that's why I thought, why don't I just look at the recorded lecture? So I looked at the recorded lecture, and I followed your footsteps as you went and told all of told in the video and explained it pretty pretty thoroughly. So I watched that and I did this. So I made this project over here, and thank you so much for the video and all, and count me in for the web development course whenever you're ready. Okay. So here I've added a few things over here, the border, the color, and a few things here, and I've even added the images, the width, and all the things. Mostly some of the things I didn't understand because I wasn't there, and like if I was there, the things that I didn't understand, I could have asked questions or whatever. So I just tried my best, but most of the things I did understand. So here's the border that I have created, and the hex thing I've used that for the colors usually. Yeah, I use most of them. So this is it. I am Aisha Khan. I live in Auckland, Bucklands Beach. I am a year 6 student in Bucklands Primary School. Animals to buy. So I just made random concepts here. So here's dog, cat, gecko, spider. So animals to buy, blah blah blah. Here, get the pets. You are lazy to get these pets. So whatever, yeah. And that's one thing that I've created. The end. Hello. Earth is unique in its way of living. And I inserted some pictures, and here is Aisha. Then I made them smaller, then smaller, then smaller, and I just took random pictures. And for my hobbies, I just put my hobbies, like one thing over here. I changed the background, by the way, and even changed the text. And here the bullet points over here. So over here I put the videos. So here's one video, and here's another about mathematics. So I like maths and I like art. So yeah. So hopefully you like this, and thank you for the video. Jazakallah and bye.